We're in Woodland in Norfolk. It's south of Norwich, near Loddon, and it's a woodland trustwood. And this slightly unusual looking evergreen plant here, bear in mind that it's January at the moment, is called butcher's broom. It's supposed to be an ancient woodland indicator species. That means that if it's naturally growing here, it tends to imply that this woodland has been wooded in some form for over 400 years. It's growing close to another ancient woodland indicator, Moshertel, or town hall clock, which is not evident at the moment because it's too early in the year. But butcher's broom is quite interesting. They have these very hard, firm branches and stalks all coming out from single stalks at the base. A very tough evergreen leaf and little tiny flowers that you can probably see developing. That's about as exciting as they get. They will grow a little bit more, and they often, later in the year, they may have red berries. Why is it called butcher's broom? Well, supposedly butchers used to chop some of them and use them to brush away their chopping blocks and the areas that they use the meat, because supposedly it cleaned up and absorbed a lot of the blood and the offal. I don't know who discovered this, but it was very useful. Apparently more recent research suggests that it also has antibacterial properties, which might mean that it cleaned up the area and was more hygienic as well. Apparently you can also use it as a laxative or a diuretic. I don't think I'll be trying that. But this is butcher's broom. There are other plants of it. There's one over there, and there's one over in the distance over there. But it's nice to see. You don't often see it, certainly not growing naturally.